We're cooking a quick and easy garlic shrimp and vegetable stir fry. Extra large shrimp here, 1/4 cup of soy sauce here. And we're going to mix that up. Add shrimp to the pan and stir fry. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, they're done. Let's get them out of there. So we'll put them aside. Boy, they're going to add some good flavor there. And we're going to take our garlic here and we're going to put that in the pan. Now to that we're going to add a little bit of butter. Add your shrimp to the minced garlic and butter and stir fry. Vegetables here, and we're going to put them right in there. Our noodles. Now we're going to add our soy sauce in there. Now we're going to add our shrimp. There you have it, guys, a quick and easy garlic shrimp and vegetable stir fry.